Welcome one and all to Imagination Exploration. Today is the last day of the Walt Disney Studios Park. Here you can see the new name on the Eiffel Tower and on the studio gate covered. On the studio gate you can see the new emblem covered. Let's now head into the Walt Disney Studios store, where you can see the closed off area right here, where beginning tomorrow there is going to be frozen merchandise sold. Let's now go into the world premiere. Here you can see a new and special photo point for the grand opening of Disney Adventure World tomorrow. There's a new gate installed for the grand opening tomorrow, as well as those screens depicting Disney Adventure World and the grand opening for tomorrow, March 29th, 2026. This is a model of Disney Adventure World and how it's going to look in a few years. Here, you can see the official opening of the gates to Adventure Way and World of Frozen at the press event. Beginning tomorrow, the 29th of March 2026, the Walt Disney Studios will become Disney Adventure World. Thanks so much for watching, we hope you enjoyed the video. If so, hit the like button and consider subscribing so you don't miss anything new.